Did you know that most smartphone users never change these settings? And that's exactly why their phone becomes slow. Battery drain fast and privacy gets compromised. Today I'm gonna show you 7 powerful smart tips and hidden settings that you should turn on right now. Make sure you watch till the end. The last one is a game changer. Hey everyone, welcome back to JK Future Tech. If you love tech tips, AI tools, and smart mobile tricks, make sure you subscribe. Now let's get started. Tip number 1: turn off background apps. Go to settings, apps, background usage. Many apps run in the background even when you are not using them. Disable background activity for apps you don't use daily. This will improve performance and save battery life. Tip number 2: limit location access. Go to settings, scroll down, click on location, click on app permissions. If an app has allow all the time, enable change it to allow only while using the app. This protects your privacy and prevents unnecessary tracking. Tip number 3: disable nearby device scanning. Open settings, scroll down, click on Google, click device at sharing, click devices. Turn off nearby devices scanning. This feature constantly searches for nearby devices, which can drain battery and raise privacy concerns. Tip number 4: make your phone feel faster. Go to settings, scroll down, click about phone, tap build number 7 times to enable developer options. Now open developer option and reduce window animation scale 0.5, transition animation scale 0.5x, animator duration scale 0.5x. Set them to 0.5x. Your phone will instantly feel much faster. Tip number 5: enable private DNS. Go to settings, click on network at internet, click private DNS, select private DNS provider hostname and type dns.google. This improves security and blocks some tracking attempts. Tip number 6: turn on data saver. Go to setting, click network, data saver, turn it on. This reduces background data usage and helps you save mobile data. Tip number 7: check app permission. Go to settings, scroll down, click on privacy, click on permission manager. Review which apps have access to your camera, microphone, and files. Remove access from apps that don't need it. This prevents hidden spying and protects your personal information. Most people never check these settings, and that's exactly why their phone doesn't perform at its best. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to JK Future Tech for more powerful tech secrets, and comment part 2 if you want more hidden smartphone setting. See you in the next video.